Hi friends, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you 4 easy hairstyles that you can create in less than 1 minute. These are perfect for those mornings when you run out of time. So let's jump in. For the first hairstyle, you want to make sure your hair is fresh because we'll make a half up hairstyle. We want to select our hair from both sides of our parting, leaving the hair behind our ears back, and then grabbing these two sections, we want to bring them back, tie it with a clear elastic, and just simply twist it. You can accessorize it, but I decided to leave it as it is. For our second hairstyle, we want to brush our hair back and we want to tie it with a clear elastic. On last time, make sure to pull your hair just a little bit through, like so. Then you want to grab the ends, twist them lightly and bring it over our elastic and twist it around it several times depending on how long your hair is. Tucker into the elastic the ends to secure it. Also, if you want, you can use some grips to fix our bun in place. And you're done. And next one, guys, this is so classic. So let's start it. We want to brush our hair nicely and we want to simply twist it. Then we want to bring our twist up, bringing our hair from the base a little bit higher to hide our hair and create a French twist, like so. Then we want to bring our twisted hair down and hide it under our French twist. You want to continue twisting our hair and hide it into our French twist. Then you want to use some grips if your hair is curly and not heavy like mine. If you feel like it's not enough, you can use some bobby pins too and pin them horizontally to fix in place for all day long our French twist. For the next one, we want to brush our hair and make a middle ponytail. Tie it, creating a middle ponytail. Then you want to tie another elastic onto our ponytail and pull our bubble to make it full and voluminous. Then you want to tie another elastic and create our second bubble. I decided to make 3 bubbles. And I'm sorry, here you cannot see how I'm tying it. You can make only 2 bubbles. It will look nice as well too. But I decided to go with 3. And that's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's simple hairstyles. Don't forget to let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite. And tell me in comments down below what hairstyles you'd like to see next on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!